Okay, so that is possible to determine whether a subdirectory exists within a Creo working directory. The way you do that is you have a couple of options. So we can do a dir exists, and the dir exists does a string return. The dir exists boolean does a boolean return, which is a Excel boolean value. It just needs the subdirectory name you're looking for, and then also a place to write the results. So let me go over here to sheet 19. We're just going to clear this out, and we'll use this as our writing destination. And we're going to go ahead and put this at let's put this at C5. And the directory we're looking for would be material files, which is current directory that's in there. So if we run this, you'll notice that it does write back a Boolean value to Excel, which is actually quite handy. So if we change this to something that is not there and run it, you can see that that returns a false. As an additional benefit, MAT star will give us a return that shows us that in fact there is a match there for that. And if you just want to do a test for any subdirectories exist, you can do that also and still get the same value as a response.